So in the coordinate part, the portion that we are seeing that we have the Cartesian plane. You know what is Cartesian plane?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it gives the idea about the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so that is known as the Cartesian plane. Here in this category, here in this category, you have the x-axis and you have the y-axis over here. Okay, the x-axis and y-axis is divided into four parts, which is x positive, x negative, then it is y positive, y negative. Okay, now here it is further divided into four sections. First coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, and fourth coordinate. Okay, then it will go in the anti-clockwise direction. It will go in the anti-clockwise manner. Okay, get. Oh, sorry. Let me share the screen. Yeah, it is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the Cartesian plane. It is x-axis and y-axis. So it gives us the idea about two axes, which is x positive, x negative, y positive, y negative. Okay, we're getting it. Now
Yes, sir.
here in this category, the x positive, x negative, y positive, and y negative, okay, is further divided into four coordinates over here. So the four coordinate which is given is nothing but like what do we have is, which is what? Hmm. So it is four categories. Okay. First of all, we will see what is x positive negative, then y positive negative, and it will go in the anti-clockwise direction. The first quadrant is like this. Second quadrant is over here. Third is over here. Fourth is over here. Okay. In the first quadrant, okay, whatever the quadrant you are writing, it is in the format of x and y over here. It is positive and positive. Okay, the first coordinate is x, other coordinate is y. You can never write in the form of y and x. Okay, it is always wrong. Always write it down in the manner of x comma y over here. You're getting the point what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So it is what So what it is written over here, it is basically x positive and x negative. Okay, the first coordinate is basically positive positive, so it is basically positive positive. In the second one, x का क्या signature है? Negative, so it is negative positive. In the third coordinate, what is x? Negative, so it is negative positive, negative negative because x is also negative, y is also negative, and so on. So I think now you are getting how to write down the proper signatures for the coordinates, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
All right, okay. So this is the one thing that you can see up as of now over here. Now, other than that, what are the other things that we can see up? That is, the other portion that we can see is like coordinate over here. अगर मैंने लिखा for example 2, 3, so if I am writing down 2, 3 over here, so what is 2 and what is 3 over here? So 2 and 3 is nothing but what? X पे 2 लिखा है, Y पे 3 लिखा हुआ है. Okay, तो x की वैल्यू 2 है, y की वैल्यू 3 है. Is it? It is like this. x कोऑर्डिनेट को बोलते हैं एब्सिसा, y कोऑर्डिनेट को बोलते हैं ऑर्डिनेट. दिस इज एब्सिसा एंड ऑर्डिनेट. ओके, ये 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आता है एग्जाम में. So you have to write it down like this as well. So you do the 1 mark question over here. It is x coordinate and y coordinate over here, isn't it? Are you getting
Yes,
the
sir.
point? What I'm saying? Okay, so it is abscissa and ordinate over here. Okay, fine. Yeah, yes. Now, the next category that you are having, that is what do you have is, I'll tell you that part also. So, the next thing that you can see, uh, mm, yeah, the next category now that you can see that is nothing but like what, which is like the line which is parallel to x-axis, the line which is parallel to y-axis. Now, what do you mean by the line which is parallel to x-axis? X-axis is where this is x-axis. Okay. If I am writing down the line which is parallel to x-axis, so it may be this, it may be this, it may be this, it may be this, etc., etc. Isn't it? So if you're writing line the lines like this over here. Okay, so this is what? This is the lines which is parallel to the x-axis. If the lines is parallel to the x-axis, so here we can write it down. Thus, maybe what it is in the x-axis with respect to the x-axis. Okay, if you can see, so every coordinate for the x is 0. Okay, but only and only we are getting the entry in the y. You're getting the point what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what you are getting in what? X-axis. Similarly, the line is parallel to the y-axis. So for y-axis, हर एक एंट्री y-axis में 0 हो जाएगी. Okay, और x पे ही एंट्री होगी. So that's why it is the general formula which is given by the x-axis and y-axis. It is given or it is written something like this. Okay. So this
Yes,
is the
sir.
one thing. Now you just tell me in your syllabus, midpoint formula, distance formula, section formula. These three formulas are there or not?
So we have the distance formula and the section formula.
Distance formula, section formula, and what else? Hello? Yeah, what else do
Yes,
we
sir.
have?
We have three, sir. Midpoint formula, sections formula, and distance formula.
Okay, all three you have, no?
Yes, sir.
Mm, all right, okay. Mhm. Okay, so first of all, come to the midpoint formula. In the case of the midpoint formula, okay, when you are looking for this one, the midpoint one, so what are the portions that you are getting? We'll go and we'll check out for this part. So the portion that we are getting over here, that is nothing but what do we have is, for example, I'm having two coordinates, 1 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 1 comma 0, 3 comma 0 का मिडिल पॉइंट मुझे निकालना है. तो अभी तो ये देखने में बहुत आसान लग रहा है क्योंकि 1 से 2, 2 से 3, इसका भी डिस्टेंस 1 यूनिट है, इसका भी डिस्टेंस 1 यूनिट है. तो यू कैन इजीली से कि हाँ सर 1 और 3 के बीच में 2 आता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई 2 comma 0 इज द आंसर, क्योंकि 2 comma 0 का डिस्टेंस 1 comma 0 से भी 1 यूनिट है, 2 comma 0 का डिस्टेंस 3 comma 0 से भी 1 यूनिट है. ठीक है, लेकिन मैथमेटिकली इसको प्रूव कैसे करेंगे? इट इज लाइक दैट x1 y1 is the one coordinate, x2 y2 is the another coordinate, and then we are saying the portion that you are getting, that is nothing but what do we have is, um, that is what you are getting is x1 y1 x2 y2, and then you are having x3 y3 over here. Okay, so the portion that you are getting, that is nothing but like what, which is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1 plus x2 by 2, that is x3, y1 plus y2 by 2, that is equals to y3. ओके, दिस इज फॉर्मूला. मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला मतलब दो पॉइंट के बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है वो कैसे निकालेंगे? तो वो ऐसे निकालेंगे. ओके, it is given like this. Okay, yes, no, maybe.
Yes, sir.
ऑलराइट, ओके. अब इसकी ना एप्लीकेशन बहुत सारी होती है. एप्लीकेशन ऐसी बहुत सारी होती है कि फॉर एग्जांपल दे आर सेइंग कि पैरेललोग्राम, इन द पैरेललोग्राम, ओके, इन दिस, इन, ये कितने बहुत अच्छा है. So in this parallelogram, okay, now the portion what they are asking for is basically in this parallelogram. Now, 1 comma 2 is given, 4 comma 4 is given. दे आर सेइंग कि जो डायगोनल होता है, इन दोनों डायगोनल का जो इंटरसेक्शन होता है, मुझे वो पता करना है। ठीक है, तो इंटरसेक्शन जो है वो कैसे पता करेंगे? ओके, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट पार्ट। गेटिंग इट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो बेसिकली दे आर सेइंग एक्स और वाई की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करके दिखाओ इस केस में। नो अप्लाई द लॉजिक, मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला ही लगेगा, लेकिन कैसे लगेगा? ठीक है ना, वो आपको देखना है। तो कैन यू जस्ट प्लीज डू इट?
Sir, I need to find the midpoint of B and D.
B and D, yeah, please go for it.
Okay, sir.
द क्वेश्चन इज, पहले क्वेश्चन समझ में आया आपको? व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग फॉर? इन द क्वेश्चन यू
Yes,
नीड टू
sir.
फाइंड द वैल्यू फॉर एक्स एंड वाई।
Ah, yes, sir. Yeah, understood.
हम्म, ओके डन।
I'm doing this also. 1 minute.
ओके, ओके, ठीक है, लुक इनटू द स्क्रीन। I want you to explain me the logic as well, okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, I've got the values as x equal to 6 and y equal to 3.
X
Hmm.
equals to
X
6
equals
and y
to
is equals
6
to
and
3.
y is equals to 3.
So
Yes, sir.
x
So
equals
x
to
is equals
6
to
and y equal
6
to
and
3.
y
Is
equal
this
to 3.
correct?
Yeah, yes, correct one.
Logic?
Logic.
Sir, I've used the formula, and we know that AB is AC bisects BD. So the midpoint for AC is the same midpoint for BD. So I've used the midpoint formula twice and equating them both. So I've used
Mm-hmm.
x1 plus x2 by 2,
Mm-hmm.
comma y1 plus y1 y2 by 2 is equal to same. The formula repeats, and I've
Mm-hmm.
substituted the values, which is 1 plus x by 2, comma 2 plus
Mm-hmm.
6 by 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 by 2, comma 5 plus y by 2. And in the next step, 1 plus x by 2, comma 4 is equal to 7 by 2, comma 5 plus y by 2. And we know that
Mm-hmm.
b coordinates are 4 comma y. So
Mm-hmm.
I've equated this b coordinates into both the midpoints. So I've done it like 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. I've cancelled 2 and 2, and comma 5 plus y by 2 is equal to 4. So I've got 1 plus x equal to 7 and 5 plus y is equal to 8. I've solved the equation, and x equal to 6 and y equal to 3.
Okay, fine.
Okay, chalega.
Okay,
No
chalega,
issues.
no issues. So this much I think you have got it now. All right, fine, all right.
Now, other than that,
Now, other than that, like what are the other
we see
portions that you can see up
here
as of now over
that is
here now?
basically
That is
the
basically
distance
the
formula.
distance formula.
So
See, obviously there are a
this
lot of
is
other questions as
but
well,
still you have to
but still
practice
you
it
have to
from your
practice it
NCRT
from your
and the portions
NCRT
which I
and the
have given
portions
to
which
you.
I have given to you.
So
Okay,
like when we
so
are giving
like
the
when we are
portions over
giving the
here,
portions over here,
so
okay,
there are
so
multiple
there are
questions
multiple questions,
and
and
you
you
have
have
to
to
just
go
go
with
with the
all the
scenarios
scenarios
also
also
one by
one
one,
by one, isn't it?
so the portion which you
So
are
the
having
portion
as
which
of
you are
now,
having as of now,
basically you
what
need to do
basically
is
you need to do is
just practice it.
just
There are
practice
total
it.
three
There are total
formulas
three formulas,
and
and
multiple scenarios are
multiple
also there,
scenarios are
but
also
I'll give
there.
you the
But I'll
introduction
give you
for
the
that,
introduction for
and
that,
I'll give you
and I'll give you
the
those
basic
the
variety also
basic
for that.
variety also for that.
Now the second thing is
Now
the
the
distance
second thing is
formula.
the
The
distance
distance
formula.
formula
The
is
distance
saying
formula is
in the
saying
Cartesian
in the
plane, if
Cartesian
any
plane,
coordinates
if
are
any
given,
coordinates
let's
are
say 2
given,
comma
let's
3
say 2 comma
4
3,
comma 7
4 comma
so in
7.
the 2 comma
So
3
in the
and
2
4
comma
comma
3 and
7,
4
what
comma
is the
7,
distance
what is the
between these
distance
two?
between these two?
If you are saying the
If you are
distance
saying the
between these
distance
two is
between
nothing but
these two
what?
is nothing but what?
Distance
The
between these
distance
two is
between these
basically
two is
2
basically
comma 3 and
2
4
comma
comma
3 and
7,
4
which is
comma
under root
7, which is
20.
under root
So how
20.
to find out
So
under
how
root
to find out
20?
under
The
root
formula
20? The
is
formula
under
is
root of x2
under
minus
root of
x1
x2
whole
minus
square
x1
plus
whole
y2
square
minus
plus
y1
y2
whole
minus
square.
y1 whole
Just
square.
simply put the
Just
value
simply put the
x1
value
y1 x2
x1
y2
y1 x2
and
y2,
then you will get
and
the
then you
answer.
will get the answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Now,
what is the
what
application
is
of
the
it?
application of it?
Now I'll tell you the
Okay. Now I'll tell
application
you the
part.
application.
While we talk about the
While we talk
application
about the
part, so in the
application parts,
application
in the
also, for
application also,
example,
for
there is a
example,
square,
there is a square,
but we don't
okay,
know it is
but
a
we don't
square.
know it is a square.
The question will say
The
like
question
this
will
that
say like
there
this,
is a
that there
quadrilateral.
is a
The
quadrilateral.
quadrilateral is
The
basically
quadrilateral is
ABCD.
basically
When
ABCD.
the quadrilateral
If
is
the
basically
quadrilateral is
ABCD,
basically
so
ABCD,
you need to
so
find
you
out
need to
the
find out the
distance for
distance
AB,
for AB,
BC, CD.
BC, CD, DA.
So AB,
So
BC,
AB,
CD,
BC,
DA, you need to
CD,
find
DA,
out the
you need to find
distance.
out the distance.
Coordinates are already
Coordinates
given
are
to you.
already given to you.
Find out the
Find
distance.
out the
Not only
distance.
this,
Not only this,
find out the distance
find
of the
out the
diagonals
distance of the
also.
diagonals
Because
also. Because
in the square,
in the
what
square,
is the
okay,
special
what is the
property? What
spatial
is the
property or
property
what
for
is the
this? That
property for the
in
square?
the square,
In the
their
square,
AC and
their
BD is
AC
also
and
given.
BD is also given.
So in the AC
So
and
in the
BD,
AC and BD,
you have
okay, you have
under root 68,
under
under
root
root
68,
68.
under root 68. Okay,
If it is verified,
if it is
all the four
verified,
sides
all
are
the four
equal,
sides are
the
equal,
two diagonals
the
are
two
also
diagonals
equal,
are also
then
equal,
we can give the
then we can
conclusion
give the
that
conclusion
ABCD is
that
nothing but
ABCD
what?
is
It is
nothing
the
but what?
square.
It is a square.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, point to be noted: whenever you are writing any question, whenever you're solving any question, no matter you know the formula or you don't know the formula, always write down the formula. अगर आप घर पे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो तो भी फार्मूला लिखो, आप मेरी क्लास में प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो तो भी फार्मूला लिखो, आप टेस्ट दे रहे हो तो भी फार्मूला लिखो। अगर फार्मूला नहीं लिखोगे, मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे, प्रैक्टिस नहीं होगी। ओके, टीचर्स विल सी योर फार्मूला, योर लॉजिक, योर स्टेप्स, योर एवरीथिंग, they will keep an eye on you basically. You getting it? I am giving you the psychology of, or I am giving you the mindset of the teachers, है
Yes,
ना?
sir.
तो हर छोटा से छोटा फार्मूला, मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला भी रहने दो, ठीक है? कोई भी छोटा फार्मूला हो, फॉर एग्जांपल इट इज अ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम ओनली, बट राइट इट डाउन, लिखो उसको, है ना? प्रैक्टिस तभी होगी, एंड टीचर विल आल्सो गेट टू नो अबाउट this part. So let's just act it accordingly. Okay. So this is the one portion in which you are doing the things as of now. So go for it one by one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is the one thing that you can see it as of now. Now, other than that, we will go for the other portions also. They are saying there is a question. Find a relation between x and y such that point x and y is equidistant from this point. एक्स और वाई के बीच में एक रिलेशन निकालना है। ठीक है, तो पहले तो डायग्रामेटिक एक्सप्लेनेशन देखो। एक्स और वाई बीच में है, उन्होंने बोल दिया है कि इट इज इक्वी डिस्टेंस। इक्वी डिस्टेंस का मतलब ये होता है कि जितना डिस्टेंस ए से एक्स का है उतना ही डिस्टेंस एक्स से बी का भी है। तो मान लेते हैं कि अगर ए से एक्स का डिस्टेंस डी है तो एक्स से बी का भी डिस्टेंस डी हो जाएगा। ठीक है, लेट्स से 3 3 सेंटीमीटर और वट एवर इट मे बी। तो हमको फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है और एक्स वाई का वैल्यू नहीं निकालनी है, वो वैल्यू के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो बात कर रहे हैं रिलेशन के बारे में। बेसिकली उनको एक एक्सप्रेशन चाहिए, है ना? तो ए एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू एक्स बी ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन। दिस पॉइंट इज ऑलरेडी व्हाट, दिस पॉइंट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन। ओके, अंडर रूट ऑफ 7 माइनस एक्स होल स्क्वायर, 1 माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर, अंडर रूट ऑफ 3 माइनस एक्स होल स्क्वायर, 5 माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर। ओके, we have to square on both the sides, so it is quadratic, and you are solving the quadratic, you will get one expression. Okay, you will get one expression over here. Are you getting the point what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So this expression is like the required answer. Okay, now moving back to the next one, I mean moving forward to the next one, which is known as the section formula. In the category of the section formula, now what do we have is, when you are doing the section formula over here, now the section formula is nothing but what they are saying is, the section formula is saying that we have basically two things over here. The one portion that we are getting, that is अगर मैं मान लेता हूँ कि मिड पॉइंट मेरे पास में नहीं है, ठीक है, मिड पॉइंट से वैल्यू थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट में या थोड़ा सा राइट में शिफ्ट हो जाती है, तो अगर थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट में या राइट में अगर वैल्यू शिफ्ट हो जाती है, ठीक है ना, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमें उस टाइम पे सेक्शन फार्मूला लगाना पड़ेगा। सेक्शन फार्मूला इज सेइंग दैट हियर mx2 plus mx1 upon n plus n, my2 plus my1 upon n plus n। फार्मूला भी जो लिखे हुआ है वो इसी फॉर्मेट में आपको क्या करना है, लर्न करने हैं। ओके, if you are learning it then only you will make it, otherwise there is a lot of issue in this। okay, I will give you one portion। okay, this is the scenario। okay, this is one coordinate, this is another coordinate, m and n की वैल्यू ऑलरेडी दी हुई है, you need to find out this coordinate। आंसर दिया हुआ है, but without looking into the question, just please go through it once।
Sir, we can use M1 or M2 also, right?
sorry,
In place of m and n, we can use m1 or m2.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Shruti.
Yes, Shruti.
Yes, sir. I'm solving at the end.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
To tell you the answer.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, yeah, please tell me.
Sir, I've first substituted. You've given the values of m and n, and we have the values of x1 and x2 and y1 and y2. So I've substituted. We know that m is 2 and n is 7. When we substitute the values in the formula, will the formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 is by m1 plus m2. When we substitute the values, we'll get 2 into 3 plus 7 into minus 6 by 2 plus 7, comma 2 into minus 8 plus 7 into 10 by 2 plus 7. Then
Mm-hmm.
6. 6 minus 42 by 9, comma, minus 16 plus 70 by 9. We'll get, after subtracting both the values, we'll get minus 36 by 9, comma, 54 by 9. If we cancel the values, we'll get minus 4, comma, 6.
Minus 4 comma
Minus
6 we
4
are
comma
getting.
6 we are getting.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
So I think
Okay.
you're applying
So I think you are applying the
now.
formulas and
You're
like
comfortable in
you're
applying the
comfortable in
formulas
applying the
also, and I
formulas
don't
also,
think
and
so
I
that you
don't
have
think
any
so that
issues
you
in
have
the
any issues in the
applying the formulas
applying
as
the
well.
formulas as
Everything
well.
so far
Everything so
is
far
okay for you.
is okay for you.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Mm,
All right, okay.
all right. Okay.
So this is the one
So this
portion
is the one
that
portion,
we are
okay,
getting.
that we are getting.
Now, other than that,
Now,
we
other
are
than
going
that,
for the
we are
other
going for
questions
the
as
other
well.
questions
Okay,
as
one
well.
by one.
Okay, one by one.
Now, what they are
Now,
saying
what they
that
are saying that hmm
so now the
So
portion that
now
we
the
are having
portion
as
that
of
we are
now,
having as of now, that is
what do
nothing
we
but
have
like what
is
do we have is
okay.
um
Okay, so
okay.
as per the
So
given
as per
scenario,
the
the
given
section
scenario, the
formula has
section
already been
formula
done.
has already
Okay,
been done.
area
Okay.
for triangle is
Area for
already there
triangle
for
is
you.
already there for you.
Sir, I didn't understand. No, sir,
Area,
we don't have the
Area.
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 Okay, area is not
So
Okay,
there.
we
area is
have
not there.
to find the area of a rhombus.
Mm-hmm.
That's all. We have only one question that he has given the vertices of a rhombus and we have to find the area.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for the
Okay,
areas
so for
also,
the
like it
areas
is not
also,
given
like it is
anything.
not given anything. Okay,
Okay,
fine.
so then what I
Okay, so
will think
then what
now
I
that
will
the
think
chapter
now
is
that the
over.
chapter is over.
Okay, in this
Okay,
scenario.
and the